Okay. Good morning, Nora. Can you tell me what you have there?
Butterfly.
And you'd like to send it to whom?
Auntie Kathy.
Okay. Can you show Auntie Kathy the butterfly? And then we'll send it to her. Show her how it opens. She can't see it. Oh, and then what did you put on the inside?
Stickers.
Stickers? Does the butterfly have a name? No. Why did you want to send it to Auntie Kathy?
Which is great to send to people.
It's nice to send things to people.
Yeah.
You love Auntie Kathy?
Yeah.
Did you just break the butterfly?
Mm-hmm.
We could tape it. Would that be okay? Can you look at the camera and say, I love you, Auntie Kathy.
I love you, Auntie Kathy.
I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
You excited to play with Sam and Becca?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what are you doing? You're eating breakfast? Oh yeah, you're eating breakfast. Okay. Ooh.